The universe is vast, mysterious, and awe-inspiring. For some, it is a realm best understood through faith. For Stephen Hawking, it was an endless puzzle to be explored through science. His groundbreaking work has left an indelible mark on how we perceive the cosmos. Stephen Hawking is renowned for his exploration of the universe within the framework of physical laws. He did not simply look at the stars and wonder. He sought to understand them through the language of mathematics and physics. Hawking's journey through the cosmos was not one of blind belief. It was a relentless quest for knowledge grounded in inquiry and evidence. His contributions to theoretical physics have illuminated our understanding of black holes, the Big Bang, and the very fabric of space-time. Hawking's approach was revolutionary. He saw the universe as a grand equation waiting to be solved. His work transcended traditional boundaries, bridging complex scientific concepts with accessible explanations. Whether discussing singularities or the nature of time, Hawking demystified the complex. His narrative was not merely academic. It was a captivating story of the universe, told with clarity and wit. This approach brought scientific ideas to a broader audience, igniting a curiosity about the cosmos in millions of people. He argued that the cosmos could be explained without invoking God, focusing instead on scientific inquiry. For Hawking, the universe did not require a creator to exist or to function. He famously suggested that the laws of physics themselves could account for the origins and operations of the cosmos. In his view, the universe was a self-contained entity, governed by predictability and order. This perspective challenged long-held beliefs, offering a narrative that was often at odds with traditional views. Hawking's position was not one of dismissiveness towards faith. Rather, he sought to expand the scope of human knowledge. He believed that science could offer answers to questions once deemed the realm of philosophy or theology. His work encouraged a shift from seeking answers through divine explanations to relying on empirical evidence and logical reasoning. This shift was not merely about replacing faith with science. It was about embracing a method that values observation, hypothesis, and experimentation. Through works like A Brief History of Time, Hawking showed that understanding the universe doesn't require divine intervention. His best-selling book captured the imagination of the public and challenged readers to look beyond traditional explanations. In it, Hawking tackled some of the most profound questions about our existence. He delved into black holes, quantum mechanics, and the arrow of time, all while making these topics accessible to a lay audience. A Brief History of Time was more than just a scientific treatise. It was an invitation to explore the universe through the lens of scientific discovery. The book prompted readers to consider the nature of reality and our place within it. Hawking invited his audience to join him in an intellectual adventure, urging them to question and to think deeply. His work was a call to inquiry, a celebration of the human capacity to understand and to wonder. Stephen Hawking's exploration of the universe illustrates how science can illuminate profound truths. His approach demonstrated that the cosmos is not a mystery beyond our understanding. Rather, it is a domain where human inquiry can thrive. Through his work, Hawking encouraged us all to look at the stars with open minds and a willingness to learn. He showed that with curiosity and determination, we can uncover the secrets of the universe. This understanding is not an abandonment of wonder, but an embrace of it through the lens of scientific exploration. Critics have often argued that Stephen Hawking's view dismisses faith. However, Hawking believed his approach was not about rejection. Rather, it was about expanding the horizons of human knowledge. His perspective was not an attack on belief systems. It was an invitation to explore the universe through the power of reason. By advocating for science, Hawking encouraged a dialogue between different ways of understanding the world. He respected the role of faith in personal lives. Yet, he championed the idea that science offers a different path to understanding reality. Hawking's insights challenge our understanding of the relationship between faith and science even today. In many ways, his work serves as a bridge between these two realms. He demonstrated that science does not necessarily contradict faith. Instead, it complements it by providing a framework for understanding the physical universe. This intersection between faith and science invites us to consider how they can coexist, Hawking's legacy encourages us to explore the boundaries of what we know and to question what lies beyond. His work reminds us that inquiry and belief can both inspire a deep sense of wonder about the world. Today, the conversation between faith and science continues to evolve. Hawking's insights remain relevant in this ongoing dialogue. They challenge us to reflect on how we reconcile spiritual beliefs with scientific discoveries. His perspective encourages us to value evidence and reason. At the same time, it invites us to appreciate the mystery and beauty of existence. This balanced view allows for a more nuanced understanding of our place in the cosmos. It suggests that curiosity and reverence are not mutually exclusive. Instead, they can coexist and enrich our experience of the universe. As we reflect on Hawking's contributions, we are reminded of the importance of critical thinking. His work exemplifies the power of the mind to unravel the complexities of the universe. It inspires us to pursue knowledge and to question the unknown. Hawking's legacy is a testament to the human spirit of inquiry. It is a celebration of our potential to understand the world through scientific exploration. His insights encourage us to approach the universe with humility and wonder. They remind us that while the cosmos may be vast and complex, it is also within our reach to explore and understand. In today's world, where scientific advancements continue to unfold, Hawking's work remains a guiding light. It urges us to embrace the challenges and opportunities that come with exploring the unknown. His insights remind us that science is a journey. It is a path of discovery that continually shapes our understanding of reality. This journey is not just for scientists. It is for anyone who is curious about the world and eager to learn. Hawking's legacy encourages us to ask questions and to seek answers through observation and reason. It is an invitation to engage with the wonders of the universe with an open mind. Stephen Hawking's exploration of the universe is a reminder of the power of human inquiry. His work shows us that we can push the boundaries of knowledge and expand our understanding of the cosmos. It is a call to embrace the unknown and to pursue truth with determination and curiosity. Hawking's insights continue to inspire new generations of thinkers and dreamers. They encourage us to look beyond the horizon and to imagine what lies beyond. His legacy is one of hope and potential. It is a testament to the human capacity to explore and to discover. As we conclude our reflection on Stephen Hawking's exploration, we are left with a profound sense of wonder. His work challenges us to think deeply and to question the world around us. It invites us to engage with the mysteries of the universe with an open heart and mind. Hawking's contributions continue to resonate, offering insights into the nature of reality and our place within it. His legacy is a reminder that the quest for knowledge is an endless journey. It is one that is open to all who dare to explore. Join us next time as we delve into the life and ideas of another fascinating thinker. We will continue to explore the legacies of those who have shaped our understanding of the world. 1. Benwen. Historical context. The intersection of faith and science. The relationship between faith and science has been long and complex. For centuries, these domains have both clashed and collaborated. In the Middle Ages, thinkers like Thomas Aquinas sought to reconcile religious doctrine with Aristotelian philosophy. Aquinas argued that faith and reason could coexist harmoniously, each offering different insights into truth. During the Renaissance, figures such as Galileo Galilei challenged the Church's geocentric views with empirical evidence. His work marked a pivotal moment, illustrating the growing tension between scientific inquiry and religious authority. The Enlightenment further fueled this discourse. With the rise of scientific reasoning, philosophers like Immanuel Kant examined the limits of human understanding. Kant suggested that while science could explain the natural world, questions of morality and existence ventured into the realm of metaphysics, a domain traditionally governed by faith. Stephen Hawking entered this historical dialogue with a bold perspective. His work in theoretical physics, particularly his exploration of black holes and the origins of the universe, pushed the boundaries of what science could explain. Hawking's assertion that the universe could be understood entirely through the laws of physics challenged the notion that a divine being was essential for creation. Yet, He did not dismiss the role of wonder and curiosity, qualities often associated with spirituality. Hawking's ideas fit into the broader conversation by questioning the necessity of a deity in explaining the universe. While some viewed his work as diminishing the role of faith, others saw it as an opportunity to expand the dialogue between science and spirituality. His contributions exemplify the ongoing tension and potential harmony between these fields. This intersection of ideas invites us to consider how scientific advancements and spiritual beliefs can coexist. In the next section, we will explore concrete examples of Hawking's contributions to science and how they have shaped our understanding of the cosmos. Stephen Hawking profoundly impacted the realm of theoretical physics through his exploration of black holes and cosmology. One of his most notable contributions is the theory of black hole radiation, commonly known as Hawking radiation. Introduced in the mid-70s, this theory proposes that black holes are not entirely black, but emit radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This groundbreaking idea challenged the prevailing belief that nothing could escape a black hole's gravity. It suggested that black holes might eventually evaporate, altering the understanding of their life cycle and the fate of matter in the universe. Another significant contribution is Hawking's work on singularities. Collaborating with Roger Penrose, he explored the mathematical properties of singularities, points where gravitational forces cause matter to have infinite density and zero volume. Their work provided insights into the conditions of the universe at the moment of the Big Bang. This collaboration showed that Einstein's theory of general relativity implied the universe had a beginning, supporting the Big Bang theory and reshaping cosmological models. Hawking's contributions have extended beyond physics, sparking philosophical debates about the nature of reality and the universe. His work on singularities and black holes raised questions about the limits of human understanding and the nature of time. Philosophers and scientists alike have grappled with these ideas, considering the implications for the universe's origin and ultimate fate. Through his groundbreaking theories, Hawking advanced the dialogue between science and philosophy, prompting deeper inquiries into the universe's mysteries. His legacy continues to influence modern thought, inviting us to explore the limits of scientific inquiry, which we will delve into next. How do we reconcile the boundaries of scientific exploration with the vast unknowns that remain? The strongest objection to scientific inquiry, particularly in the realm of existential and spiritual questions, is its perceived inability to fully encompass the depth of human experience and the mysteries of existence. Critics often argue that while science excels in uncovering the laws of nature, it struggles to address questions of meaning, purpose, and the intrinsic nature of consciousness. These are areas traditionally explored by philosophy and religion, domains where science's empirical methods seem less applicable. Stephen Hawking, despite his monumental contributions to cosmology, faced criticism for his assertion that science could eventually answer all questions about the universe. Detractors argue that there are limits to what science can explain. They contend that existential questions, such as why is there something rather than nothing, or what is the nature of the self, elude scientific scrutiny. These questions, they claim, require insight beyond the measurable and observable. Moreover, the subjective aspects of human life, like emotions, morality, and the quest for meaning, pose challenges to scientific explanations. The complexity of consciousness, for instance, remains a profound mystery. Neuroscientists can map brain activity, but the subjective experience of being remains elusive. This gap highlights a potential limitation in the scientific method, which relies on objectivity and quantification. This objection to Hawking's views pushes back against the notion that science can serve as a comprehensive guide to understanding existence. It suggests that other ways of knowing, such as philosophy or spirituality, might be necessary to complement scientific insights. This perspective invites a broader dialogue about the roles of science and other disciplines in our quest to understand reality. In the next section, we will explore Hawking's reply to these critiques, examining how he envisioned the role of science in unlocking the mysteries of existence, and whether he believed it could ultimately bridge the gap between knowledge and meaning. Hawking approached the limits of scientific inquiry with a unique perspective. he did not see them as barriers, but rather as frontiers to explore. He acknowledged the profound mysteries of the universe, but maintained his belief in the potential of science to illuminate them. According to Hawking, science is not just a tool for solving puzzles. It is a way to understand the cosmos and our place within it. In his view, each discovery in science opens doors to new questions, stimulating further exploration. This process, for Hawking, was the essence of human progress. He believed that while science might not provide the ultimate answers to every existential question, it brings us closer to understanding the fundamental laws that govern our reality. Hawking famously declared that if the universe had no boundaries and no edges, it would have no beginning or end. This assertion challenged traditional views about the universe's creation, suggesting that scientific models could offer insights into questions traditionally reserved for theology and philosophy. Yet, Hawking also understood the intrinsic value of mystery and the unknown. He argued that embracing the unknown is integral to scientific inquiry. This acknowledgement did not imply a limitation, but rather an invitation to continue questioning and discovering. He saw science and mystery as intertwined, each driving the quest for knowledge and meaning. Hawking's reply to the limits of scientific inquiry was not a dismissal of those limits, but rather an embrace of them as part of the journey. His work exemplified a belief in the power of curiosity and the relentless pursuit of understanding. As we reflect on his perspective, we find ourselves considering how science, while not solving all mysteries, plays a crucial role in the broader tapestry of human thought. In the next section, we will delve into how this synthesis of science and mystery influenced modern philosophies, examining the enduring impact of Hawking's legacy on contemporary thought. Stephen Hawking's work serves as a bridge by illuminating how scientific inquiry and spiritual exploration are not necessarily opposed, but rather two lenses through which to view the universe. Hawking, with his profound insights into the nature of black holes and the origins of the cosmos, often pushed the boundaries of what science could explain. Yet, he acknowledged that these discoveries could evoke a sense of wonder, akin to spiritual experiences. This connection is not about equating science with spirituality, but recognizing that both can coexist to enrich our understanding of existence. Hawking's approach to the universe invites us to consider how scientific and spiritual domains can complement each other. Science offers explanations based on evidence and reason, while spirituality provides a framework for meaning and purpose beyond the observable. Hawking suggested that asking why the universe exists at all might be a question science alone cannot answer. This acknowledgement opens the door for a dialogue between these two spheres. The potential for a harmonious relationship lies in the idea that science and spirituality can inform and enhance one another. When scientists like Hawking explore the cosmos, they often encounter questions about the nature of reality that transcend empirical data. Meanwhile, spiritual perspectives can be enriched by scientific discoveries, as they offer new ways to think about age-old questions of existence. Hawking's legacy is thus a call to embrace both rational inquiry and the mysteries that lie beyond it. Through this synthesis, we are reminded that the quest for knowledge is not solely a scientific endeavor, but a deeply human one that seeks to understand the essence of being. As we move to the next section, we will explore how this integration of science and spirituality has shaped modern thought, leaving an indelible mark on contemporary philosophies. Stephen Hawking's legacy extends far beyond his scientific achievements. It permeates contemporary thought, influencing both science and philosophy. Hawking's exploration of black holes, cosmic inflation, and the nature of time has inspired a generation of scientists and thinkers. His work prompts them to question the boundaries of the universe and the limits of human understanding. In today's scientific community, his contributions serve as a catalyst for ongoing research into quantum gravity and the unification of physics. His ideas challenge scientists to push the boundaries of what is empirically testable. In philosophical circles, Hawking's musings on the universe's origins and its ultimate fate have sparked debates about the nature of reality itself. He famously argued for a universe that requires no divine intervention, a position that has provoked both agreement and opposition. Philosophers continue to grapple with the implications of a self-contained cosmos, pondering questions about existence, causality, and the possibility of multiple universes. This dialogue is vital as it encourages a reflective examination of human consciousness and the meaning we ascribe to our experience. Hawking's popular works, like A Brief History of Time, have democratized complex scientific ideas, making them accessible to a broader audience. This accessibility has inspired countless young minds to pursue careers in science and philosophy. His ability to communicate complex ideas in simple terms has fostered a public appreciation for the mysteries of the universe and humanity's place within it. As modern thinkers continue to build on Hawking's foundation, they explore new frontiers in cosmology and the philosophical implications of a universe that may be infinite or cyclical. This ongoing exploration not only honors Hawking's legacy, but also encourages a continual reassessment of our understanding of reality. In the conclusion, we will explore how this journey of discovery remains an endless pursuit, ever evolving and always expanding. The pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end. Inspired by Stephen Hawking, we are reminded that this quest is an integral part of the human experience. Our curiosity propels us into the vast unknown, where each discovery uncovers new questions. Hawking exemplified this spirit of relentless inquiry, demonstrating that science is not a series of definitive answers, but an ever-expanding dialogue with the universe. Hawking's work invites anyone, regardless of background, to engage with the mysteries of existence. His life and contributions underscore the idea that understanding the cosmos is not reserved for the elite few, but is open to all who dare to ask and seek. He once proposed that inquiring about the universe's nature is a fundamental human quest. This idea resonates with the notion that everyone can partake in this exploration, through both scientific and philosophical lenses. In a world constantly evolving, Hawking's legacy serves as a guiding light. He encouraged us to look beyond the confines of our immediate realities and to question the very nature of those realities. This vision is not limited to the realm of science. It extends to how we perceive our place within the universe. He acknowledged that, while science may not provide all the answers, it offers a framework to explore the profound questions of existence. The journey of discovery does not conclude with any single achievement. Instead, it continues as each generation builds upon the insights of the past while forging new paths. Hawking's enduring influence ensures that the dialogue between science and philosophy remains vibrant and dynamic. As we conclude this reflection, we are left with the anticipation of what lies ahead. The mysteries of the universe are vast, and the next chapter of this exploration promises to challenge and inspire, revealing new layers of understanding and wonder. The dialogue between science and philosophy is not simply an academic exercise. It is a vital part of how we comprehend our place in the cosmos. As Stephen Hawking showed, the pursuit of knowledge knows no boundaries. It transcends disciplines and invites each of us to engage with the universe's profound questions. Through this engagement, we are not just passive observers, but active participants in a grand narrative. This narrative is one of curiosity, discovery, and the relentless quest for truth. As we look to the future, let us carry forward the spirit of inquiry that Hawking embodied. Let us remain open to the possibilities that lie in the unknown and committed to the pursuit of wisdom. Our journey is just beginning, and the potential for new insights is limitless. Join us in our next essay, where we will delve further into the philosophical dimensions that continue to shape our understanding of reality.